Welcome the timeless forgotten mystery. On September 11, 1999, a discovery shocked the world. Found on an asteroid far from Earth, it was a revelation so extraordinary that, if it hadn't been seemingly suppressed soon after going public, it could have become one of the most astonishing discoveries of the millennium. Evidence suggesting not only that intelligent alien life exists beyond Earth, but that this ancient civilization may be responsible for countless unexplained anomalies on our planet. Mysteries which, for millennia, have seemed impossible to explain. This find appeared to confirm the legitimacy of the rumored monolith on Phobos, one of Mars' moons, famously referenced by Buzz Aldrin, as well as the long-circulated photo of a pyramid on the lunar surface, a photo so overexposed it allegedly slipped past NASA's filters. But what if this comet, this interstellar messenger, is actually heading for Earth? Initially detected by the Linear Project and named 1999 RQ-36, its surface images and videos were briefly shared with the world. Then, suddenly, its name changed to 101955 Bennu, a name drawn from an ancient Egyptian mythological bird linked with the sun, a light giver, perhaps a fitting title for what it represents. In October 2020, NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission successfully touched down on Bennu, collecting a sample and returning it to Earth in September 2023. As analysis continues, one photo from the flyby ignited global curiosity, a black pyramid seemingly attached to the asteroid side. This astonishing image briefly went public before sparking widespread debate. Then came an even more unsettling revelation. The asteroid's calculated trajectory places it among the most likely objects to collide with Earth between 2178 and 2290, with the highest risk estimated for September 24, 2182. September again, a date eerily echoed in countless Hollywood blockbusters depicting apocalyptic asteroid impacts or world-changing events. From Deep Impact to Knowing to Bruce Almighty, the date September 22nd to 23rd recurs with uncanny frequency. Coincidence? Or coded warning? Could filmmakers know something about Bennu and Earth's future that the public does not? Perhaps we are not facing an impact but a visitation, an arrival of the gods. As attention surged, media articles calling it the asteroid with the black pyramid began vanishing from the internet. The connection between Bennu's trajectory and its strange structure was scrubbed. What is this black pyramid? How could it exist on an asteroid seemingly destined for Earth? Could this be quiet proof of alien life? Proof that the ancient legends of Thoth, the builders of monumental sites, were true? Have we already found the messenger foretold to return? A traveler of such importance that its discovery was released briefly, just long enough for those in the know to take note, then buried under silence. What happens when it reaches our planet? What's hidden within? Could this be the arrival of a civilization millions of years ahead of us, traveling interstellar space, bending space and time to search for life across the galaxy, or perhaps crossing dimensions instead of planets? Strange craft sightings and alien visitation claims date back to humanity's earliest records. One man, Dr. Jacques F. Vallée, one of the most respected scientific investigators of unidentified aerial phenomena, has spent decades studying both modern and ancient encounters. In his landmark 1969 book Passport to Magonia, Vallée suggested that these entities may come not from outer space but from parallel universes coexisting with ours. He argues their humanoid bodies are unlikely to have evolved for deep space travel, and their behavior contradicts the theory of genetic experimentation on humans. Instead, their ability to manipulate space and time hints at far richer possibilities. Vallée also documented how these beings' technology seems to evolve in parallel with ours. Medieval reports describe flying maritime vessels dropping anchors from the sky, just decades ahead of human progress, as though nudging our evolution. Whistleblowers claim many of our technologies come from retrieved craft. Are these gifts? Clockwork elves, perhaps, being sent to guide our development? Even our own moon poses mysteries. Why does it ring like a bell when struck? In the 1970s, Soviet scientists Michael Vassin and Alexander Sherbakov proposed the moon might be a colossal ancient spacecraft. Apollo seismometers recorded strange moonquakes, and Apollo 12's deliberate crash of a lunar module reportedly made the moon resonate for an hour. China's Yutu-2 rover recently discovered a mysterious cube-shaped object on the moon, reminiscent of other anomalies believed to be obelisks. Buzz Aldrin himself claimed a monolith exists on Phobos, Mars' moon, a hollow satellite on a decaying orbit, which should have crashed into Mars long ago. Yet it remains, along with its enigmatic monolith. These objects appear deliberately placed, untouched by debris, craters, or dust. Ghost rockets, too, have haunted our skies since 1946. Thousands of sightings, many crashes, but no debris. Swedish military blackouts, classified memos, and magnesium alloys that disintegrate without trace suggest something more than meteors or missiles. Are these fragments of another world, or another dimension? Ancient Egypt may hold further clues. Tutankhamun's necklace contains Libyan desert glass. No crater, no known formation method. Egyptian texts speak of a phoenix egg, hidden deep within the Great Pyramid. Meteoric iron beads dating back to 3200 BC predate iron smelting and came from stars. Did the Egyptians possess alien gifts, sacred artifacts from cosmic visitors? What could the phoenix egg be? Is it a relic of interstellar messengers, like Bennu, a seed of a civilization that once touched our world and may be about to return?